Hey guys, this video is for you if you are a 4th sem VTU student writing M4 internal exam or VTU SEMET exams. And this video is from the video series that we are doing on 18 scheme M4 subject. And this includes the solutions to the most asked or the most repeated questions in the VTU SEMET exam. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos and share this video with your other friends. Also watch this video till the end to know about our M4 video scanner. Okay, so this question is from 5th module on statistics and it's a T distribution question. Okay, so the 10 individuals are chosen at random. Their height in inches are as given below here. Okay, so the height in inches, let the each height x represent the height of an individual. So it is 63, 63, 66, 63 and the last value is 71 and the middle two values are 68 and 69, 68 and 69, and the remaining values are 70, 70, 71. So that is 70, 70, 71, and that is 67, 63, 68, 67, 63, 68. That is 63. Okay. So here what we have is a sample itself. Okay, a sample of the size 10. Okay, and we need to test the hypothesis that the mean height of the universe, which is population mean, is 66 inches. Okay, so what is the hypothesis? Hypothesis is, or the null hypothesis is, H naught is population mean is 66 inches. Population mean mu naught is equals to 66 inches. And the alternate to the hypothesis, alternate to the null hypothesis is H1, population mean is not equals to 66 inches. Okay, so again two-tailed test. If it is greater than or smaller than sign here, it is one-tailed test. If it is not equals to, it is just not equals to 166. It's a two-tailed test. So once you form a hypothesis, we need to find the Z score or the T score or the chi-square. So in this case, we need to find the T score. This is a students' T distribution. Students' T distribution. Okay, so as I said in the last question, whenever you see a sample itself given, we no longer have to use the Z score values. Okay, Z score means they will give you the sample mean and the standard deviation and everything. Okay, and also he has already given me 0.05 significance level value of a T score. Okay, so we need to find the T score distribution. What is the T? What does T stands for? T is sample mean minus population mean by the standard deviation. Standard deviation equivalent S over square root of the sample size. Okay, so from the question we know n is equals to 10. This is a sample of size 10, and you can see here that 0.05 value is different than in the last question. It is different. 0.05 T score will be different depending upon the degree of freedom, and degree of freedom depends upon the size of the sample. Okay, so it is always 1 less than the sample size. Okay, so 9 degree of freedom, sample size is 10. Okay, so that is given, and so sample mean is x bar is equals to summation x by sample size. All the sum of all the sample values divided by the number of samples. So sum of all the sample values is 678. 678. So this is some row. So it is x bar is 678 by 10 or 67.8. So sample x bar or sample mean 67.8, and the population mean is mu naught is equals to 66. Okay, so we got the three values n, x bar and mu. We need to find the s value. S value is also a formula. S square is equals to 1 over n minus 1, that is it can be a degree of freedom or sample size minus 1, summation of x minus x bar square. Very simple formula. Okay, so for each of this x value, we need to subtract x bar from the x value and and square them and find the sum of all these values. So make a new column, x minus x bar square. Okay, x bar is 67.8. So take out your calculator, type an equation x minus 67.8 whole square and substitute x values one by one and write the values. So right values will be 23.04, 23.04, okay, 3.24, 3.24, 0.64 and 0.64. Okay, then it is 0.04, I guess. It is not 0.64, it is 0.04 because 67.5 and 68 difference is 0.2. 0.2 square is 0.04. Okay, my bad. I think there's a printing mistake in the book. And 1.44, 4.84, 1.44, 4.84, 4.84, and 10.24, 10.24, 10.24. Okay, so the sum of all the x minus x bar square values is 81.6. Okay, so here if you substitute that here, s square will give me 81.6 over 10 minus 1. Okay, so this will be something like 9 point something, right? So it will be 9.0667. 9.0667. Okay, so this will give me s value as 3 point something, 3.011. Okay, so that's cool. So we found the s value, n, x bar and mu. Substituting everything in this, we find the t score of this sample. So that is t is equals to sample mean 67.8 minus population mean 66 by s value 3.011 divided by square root of sample size 10. Substituting everything in the calculator, you will get t value as 1.89. Okay, so t is equals to 1.89 is the t score of this sample, and this is obviously less than the 0.05 significance level or level of significance t score, which is 2.262. So if it is less than, it means the hypothesis, the null hypothesis accepted, except null hypothesis or H naught. Okay, so if it is greater than, then reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternate hypothesis. Okay, so that is the t distribution question. Okay, so these are the two formulas you need to remember for t distribution. Okay, they are very simple formulas, and it is not, they are not even different formulas. For z square also the formula is same, that is sample mean minus population mean by standard deviation by square root of sample size. Okay, so let's see another t distribution question. The surest way to improve your CGPA is to study the previous year question papers, and this works for all branches, any subjects in VTU. For M4 subject, we have this amazing new product that you simply must have, and this is VTU exam video scanner for M4. So this book includes all the previous question papers, model papers on M4, and it also includes solutions to all the questions in the question papers and model papers. Each solution will have a QR code which will open a video where that solution is explained step by step. Okay. Find the link to buy this book in the description and get your own M4 video scanner today.